So this was something from a week or two back that I meant to cover. I'm sorry I haven't got around to it till now. Recently, researchers from the University of Southampton, led by Professor John Marshall, were looking into the cause of a great extinction event 360 million years ago. And they traveled to locations in eastern Greenland and Bolivia, which corresponded to locations at the South Pole and at the equator 360 million years ago. And in looking at fossilized plant spores in both locations, they noticed uniform signs of intense UV damage to the cell structure, leading them to conclude that for some reason at the end of the Devonian period, following an intense ice age, that there was an equally intense period of warming, and that during this period, chemicals in the lower atmosphere that break down ozone were shot up into the upper atmosphere, along with all the excess water vapor, and this caused a collapse of the ozone layer for several thousand years, which killed off most everything that was living on land, as well as many species of fish. And the unfortunate conclusion of this study is that we are getting dangerously close to a similar temperature spike right now. And it's significant that this breakdown of the ozone occurred naturally, unlike the Jurassic period where an asteroid impact damaged the atmosphere, or in the Great Permian dying, which had to do with intense volcanism. This breakdown of ozone happened simply because the planet was too hot. This article was published in Science Advances, May 27th, 2020. UVB radiation was the Devonian Carboniferous Boundary Terrestrial Extinction Kill Mechanism, by John Marshall, John Larkin, Ian Troth, and Sarah M. Wallace.